Hello, it's John Burford again with tramlinetraders.com, and today I'm covering an important point in how I trade forex. This is the cable or pound sterling against the US dollar, and this is the daily chart. This is the point I want to emphasize. This spike low here is the Liz Truss low. This is very infamous event last year in September. Spiked down to 103, and since then it's engaged in a mammoth rally up to this level here. That's about a 25% rally since September, which I think is very impressive. I've also included the relative strength index here, where I usually point out the extremes. Anything above the 70 line means it's overbought. If it's below the 30 line, it's oversold, which means that we can start looking for lows once it gets down here and highs once it gets down here. And sure enough, that's where the highs generally occurred. That's the most recent one here. That's the important one that I'm focusing on now. That didn't quite reach the low, but that certainly was a low here. And here's a massively oversold low at the Truss low. And that was your signal to start looking to go long. Since then, I think we can label this tentatively as a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. And final, just a poke to a new high up here. Just the other day as the final wave 5. That fit. There are other wave labels that can fit, but this is the one I think I'm going to favor at the moment. That should be an A wave leading to a B wave in a 3 or a combination of 3s down here, and eventually that should lead to new highs off the B wave low, but that's to come. Anyway, I want to concentrate on the near term. This here is a great clue that we're having a turn down. This is a momentum divergence going up into these highs here. And in combination with the RSI up to the 70 level, odds are growing that we should be turning lower. So how can I determine when to enter a short trade? Okay, here's the 4-hour chart showing the rally off the wave 4 low up to the wave 5 high. This is my A question mark. Notice that I'm able to draw a fantastically strong support trend line with these touch points here, highly accurate touch points. There's 4. It broke it here. That's your first clue that we may well have a new trend lower in wave B. And here's another clue. On the 4-hour chart, we've also got a momentum divergence here. But this is a textbook break here of this line because we've got a pullback, which is a normal event, to try and kiss the line here. That's happening today as I speak. And my option here, I believe, my favorite option is for a wave 3 down here. So my best guess is this is wave 1, wave 2, and we can position short for a possible wave 3. Breaking that support here would confirm it, and I would be looking for an initial target down here around the 121 level.